In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to manage your media files and stay organized with Media Encoder as an assistant to Premiere Pro. We will discuss creating presets, ingest settings, and the use of Media Encoder's customizable assets, such as adding LUTs to raw footage, as methods of easing your editing experience. Let's start with the basics. Adobe Premiere Pro is an industry-standard video editing software, notable for its customizable interface that can fit all preferences and needs. Premiere does a lot of its processing work by utilizing the Adobe Media Encoder software, which installs alongside Premiere. While Premiere will automatically work in Media Encoder when necessary, we're going to show you how to use Media Encoder to your advantage so you can simplify your workflow and get editing as soon as possible.
Something you'll have to add to your preset is a LUT. LUT stands for Lookup Table. A LUT is a tool that lets filmmakers and editors save particular color grades as a template. Think of a LUT as like a color preset that a filmmaker can readily use whenever needed. You can make your own LUT in Adobe Premiere Pro by following these steps. First, go to Color. Then select the clip that you would like to apply the LUT to. On the right, there are a ton of tools to color the clip however you want, so play with it. I made this one very different from the original to show a difference. Once you like it, you can export it as a dot cube. This can then be exported from your folder and applied to as many clips as you want evenly.
To create presets, open up Adobe Media Encoder. Then, navigate up to the Presets window on the top of your screen. Open it, and click on Create Encoding Preset. Using the window that opens, you can name your preset, choose its format, change video and audio settings, and add effects for the encoded videos. Once you're finished, click on OK, and this will create a new encoding preset in your presets bin. To create an ingest preset, go back to the Presets tab and click on Create Ingest Preset. This will open another window where you can name your preset, set it to copy your files to a chosen destination, and verify your files. I like bit by bit for this. You can also choose to transcode your files in here. This will create new video files based on a chosen preset. By clicking this, you can make use of your encoding preset by selecting the same format and choosing it in the presets menu. This is also a great way to create proxies for a smoother workflow later on. Once you're finished here, click OK, and you now have a finished ingest preset ready to be loaded into Premiere Pro.
With your new preset that we made previously, you can right-click either preset and export presets to then take those into Adobe Premiere Pro and use them for your ingest process. Just open Adobe Premiere and locate your Media Browser tab. Check the box next to Ingest and click on the wrench icon to customize your project settings. With the Add Ingest Preset button, you can select any of the presets that you have exported previously and they will apply naturally to your ingest process.
In Project Settings in Premiere, you want to click on the Ingest settings. Click on the Ingest checkbox, then choose Copy and Create Proxies. Then add your ingest preset. Once you do this, you want to choose the primary destination and the proxy destination. In Media Browser, select the footage you want to use, click on the Ingest checkbox, and import it into Premiere Pro. During the ingest process, your proxies will be ingested in Media Encoder. This may take a while to finish, depending on how much and what kind of footage you're working with. So take this time to relax, go make some coffee, literally anything else.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
If you're going to be ingesting footage into Premiere, you're going to want to make sure that everything goes over smoothly with your preset, so you're not scratching your head later while you're editing wondering why your footage looks wonky on your timeline. Now, while the media is ingesting and encoding through Adobe Encoder, it's important to keep an eye out to make sure that your correct presets have been selected along with your proxies and source footage being successfully copied onto your hard drive or whatever external storage device you're using. So that way you can avoid misplacing files, footage, and you won't have to go back and manually link any footage if you lose anything, which is no fun. Once your media is done ingesting, you can look on Encoder to see if all your footage got ingested properly. Status bar will tell you whether it's done and ready to edit or if you have any errors that you need to fix. You can also open Premiere and toggle your proxies on and off in your program and source monitor to see whether your desired preset was properly ingested or not.